Witches. What comes to mind when you think of that word? A deformed green face with a big nose? That's what we keep telling our children in stories and fairy tales, but in reality, they don't look like that at all. Witches can look like you or me, and it can be a man or a woman. The word witch could be used to describe any practitioner today, but there are many characteristics that distinguish what type of witch they are. Today, we are going to talk about the Eclectic Witch. Eclectic witches are the most popular type of witches today. This is due to the fact that there are no specific beliefs or rules that have to be followed. They are free to pick and choose any faith or belief they wish to incorporate into their craft. This can include Egyptian, Viking, Greek, or Persian beliefs. It's whatever calls to their soul. Because of the wide arrangement of beliefs to choose from, it might be tough to put together a way to express the rituals and practices in a fluid way. But when they figure it out, it's a very unique and beautiful experience to behold. These witches do lots of research and want to ask a lot of questions about specifics of spells and rites. They don't do this to be disrespectful, but they want to learn and grow and push any barriers they face, and to get everything just perfect. So if you know anyone like this, don't push them aside. Instead, draw them in, for it's from their devotion and diversity that their power will only grow more and more.